Very good evening, everyone. Okay, let's understand the model answer solution for cyclic test 1, that was language of chemistry. Here we start with quickly question number 1, guys. Question number 1 says what is valency or variable valency? So the answer is certain metals exhibit more than one valency, known as variable valency. It's a definition, guys. Make sure you write it the way it is given on the screen. Moving further, complete the analogy. Copper is Cu, then what is silver? Of course it is Ag. There is no other answer possible for this. ClO3 is chloride, then ClO is hypochlorite. Marking scheme is already given on the screen. You follow that. Next comes the match the column. While writing match the column, you have to write exactly the way it is given in the solution. Column A with the correct option, column B again with the correct option, but answer should match. Like for example, MnO4 minus, it is permanganate, but that was the fourth option, so we have written 4 permanganate. Zincate is ZnO2, then you will write 1 zincate. CrO4 5 chromate. NO2 2 nitrite. SN4 3 stannic. The way answer is given in the solution, you have to follow exact pattern, then you deserve full marks. Okay, moving further, calculate molecular mass, guys. Here we need to write the formula. It is given NH4 twice SO4, then you have to write the respective masses and substitute the value. In short, follow the solution as it is given on the screen. Just follow that, you will get complete full marks. If you have made any mistake in writing calculation or in writing formula, then you don't deserve even a single marks. In short, you will get 0. Same applies for zinc carbonate, guys. You need to write correct formula, you need to substitute correct values and get the correct answer. If you have done everything the way it is given in the solution, you deserve 1 mark. Next question, define relative atomic mass. In this case, guys, relative atomic mass of an element is number of times one atom of element is heavier than 1/12 the mass of an atom of carbon. We need to mention the formula over here, that is RAM is equals to mass of one atom of element upon 1/12 mass of one atom of carbon. You have to write both. You cannot write just definition without formula. Make sure wherever the definition has been asked, there if you can mention the formula, will support your answer correctly. If you have written exact way, the way it is given in the textbook or in the solution right now, you will deserve 1 mark. Balance the following question, guys. In this case also, you have to write the proper question and the correct balancing. Har ek number, each and every number of left hand side and right hand side should be correct, then only you get 1 mark. If only one mistake is also there, then you don't get even a single marks. In short, you will get straight away 0. I repeat, in balancing, the answer should be correct as it is given in the solution. There should not be even a single mistake, even not even single elements balancing should be wrong. If in that case only you deserve 1 mark. Chemical formula, again in that case, that the way it is given on in the solution, it should be exactly in the same way. You should not make even a small mistake like NO3 का NO2 लिखा या NO3 thrice का NO3 4 times लिख दिया, ऐसा कुछ भी mistake हुआ, you don't deserve even a single marks. So make sure you have to write the way it is given in the solution, then only you deserve 1 mark. Molecular mass of in this case we were supposed to calculate the percentage. So first you need to calculate the molecular mass, then you have to calculate the percentage. Here we need to calculate percentage for all. Percentage for calcium, percentage for phosphorus, percentage for oxygen. So this was for 2 marks. In this case, guys, you will get 2 marks if you have written the molecular mass correctly, then you deserve 1 mark. And then if you have calculated all the percentage correctly, you deserve another 1 mark. So that's how you will get 2 marks. Marking scheme is already given in the answer paper. Again, the definition is there, relative atomic mass. The answer is given. Relative atomic mass of an element is the number of times one molecule of substance is heavier than 1/12 times of the mass of carbon atom. यहाँ पे भी Formula is mandatory. If you have written formula correctly, you deserve full 1 mark. Again, balancing is there, guys. Remember, for balancing, there should not be even a single mistake to get full marks. If small mistake is also there, like 2AL का अगर 3AL लिख दिया, 4AL लिख दिया, not even single element is balanced, then you don't deserve mark. So to get full marks, each and every element on the reactant side as well as product side should be balanced. In short, आंसर जैसा सोल्यूशन में फिलहाल दिया है वैसा ही होना चाहिए. थर्ड क्वेश्चन, बैलेंस यूजिंग पार्शियल बैलेंसिंग मेथड. अगेन सेम वे एज इट इज़ गिवन. अगर दोनों इक्वेशन पहले हमने बैलेंस कर दिया, डिजर्व 1 मार्क. एंड देन फाइनल आंसर, लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल 8 NH3 plus 3 Cl2 giving 6 NH4 Cl plus N2, that gives you 1 more mark. तो अगर सपोज फाइनल आंसर रॉन्ग है तो एटलीस्ट 1 मार्क्स मिलेगा इफ बोथ द बैलेंसिंग, बोथ इक्वेशंस आर बैलेंस्ड. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, कैलकुलेट द परसेंटेज लॉस. In this case, 1 mark for calculating molecular mass, another 1 mark for substituting the value and getting the final answer, that is 23.81%. Thank you guys. Stay home, stay safe.